Hello everyone. A few months ago, like 6 months ago, in September, I wanted to take the doors off of the Jeep, go for a drive. Well, I was unable to do that because the hinge pins are froze in the pockets. It won't allow me to take the doors off. So I ordered new hinges. So I am going to attempt to change those today. Okay, well, I got the door off, I got the hinge off. I dropped the door on my toe when I was bringing it over there. I don't want to take my boot off. This is probably where it would help to have a friend, but I don't know how the two of you would get in here to work. Awfully crowded. Oh, come on. Get in there. Really, it's gonna be the way it's gonna be. Of course. Wouldn't have it any other way. Oh, come on. What's wrong with you? Fit like that. My right hand. Of course, I put my left hand up here. Okay. Good grief. I got anything remotely close to that size. I do. Okie dokie. My toe still hurts. Old knees. Well, if it ain't one thing, it's a dozen others. We got a slight issue here. Really? I'll be back. Actually, you guys can join me. Alright, I'm gonna try this first. Alright, so I can't find my sandcloth. That just bites the big one. Put you guys back there. Okay. Well, that's working. All right. Let's see if this made any difference. Yes. All right. That's a good thing. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go clean the rest of that off. I'm going to do it to the rest of them. What a pain in the butt. Alright, I got paint removed from them. See how close it is to shutting. They're a wee bit tight. Where's tight? Well, huh. Yeah, decent door gap there. Maybe a little low in the back, I don't know. Huh. Okay. Definitely gotta move that up, I think. Or move that down. I don't know. Alright, well, that wasn't exactly what I would call fun. But it's done. And I have tested to make sure I can remove it, yes. So now, on to the passenger door. Alright, this one's gonna go a bit quicker. I'm not gonna waste any time. Well, that was interesting. I was not anticipating having to sand down the paint to get them to fit the hinges. All right, well, that's gonna do it. Time to put the tools up. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. I appreciate it very much. I will see you later.